I like trains.
Hello, everyone. $32, $33, and $33.76. Oh, it is a rainy one. C782 loaded coal, and yes, my voice is bad again. Thank you, allergies. It's all good. This is not a combined coal. Oh, a police car. Thank you to all police officers. Of course, please know I'm not trying to get them in the video just because I back the blue and I'm not being political. I just always gonna support those who protect us in this wonderful country. Here goes the last car. C782 here in Woodbine. Thank you for watching, and here from Woodbine Road Crossing in Woodbine, Maryland, this is the old man guy signing off. And everyone watching this video, have a great day wherever you may be.